In this video, we're going to take a look at substitution in algebra. We have the following. Find the value of 2x plus 5y when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Have a go at this yourself and I'll show the solution on the next slide. From the problem, we are given that the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 5. I'll now write out 2x plus 5y. I will now substitute the value for x and I will substitute the value for y. You can see I've used brackets here to make this step clear. So we can see this given 4 is placed here as represented by this position in the brackets. And this given 5 is placed here as represented by this 5 in the brackets. Now I can write down 8 here because this 2 times 4 gives us 8. Now to this I can add 25 because 5 times 5 gives us 25. 8 plus 25 equals 33. So the value of 2x plus 5y when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is 33.